Ready to open the hood? Usetool for the tutorials.
And for car parts, the right idea is the Mr. Auto app.
You will find the bulk battery used in the video exclusively on the Mr. Auto website and through the link in the description. Turn your engine off and pull up the handbrake. Open the trunk and remove the carpet. Remove the carpet. Remove the polystyrene insulation. To take out the battery, you will have to unscrew the holding plate. Using a socket wrench, a long extender, and a 13mm socket, unscrew the fastening plate of the battery. Then remove the plate. Take off the plastic cover. Never start by disconnecting the positive terminal, with all the car still connected to the minus terminal. This risks creating dangerous sparks in the electric network of your car. Using a 10mm spanner, release the holding nut on the negative terminal. Remove it, then move it away to avoid any untimely reconnections, which could damage the electrical network in your vehicle.
All parts used in this tutorial are supplied by our trusted partners. These partners also help us create as many video tutorials as possible. Check them out in the description below.
Then repeat the operation on the positive terminal. Remove the acid-resistant steam hose, if the battery has one installed. You can now remove the battery. Sand the inside of the terminals with sandpaper to remove the layer of white oxidation and to avoid breakdowns in the long term. You will find the bulk parts and products used in the video on the Mr. Auto site and in the link in the description. Take the new battery, coat the terminals with copper grease to improve the contact between the terminals and connectors, but also to limit oxidation development. Connect the acid fumes outlet tube. Then put the positive terminal back on to start with. Tightening the screws with a 10mm spanner. Then put the negative terminal back in, ensuring you insert it fully. Before fixing it in place with a spanner. Put the battering fastening plate in place. Then finish off the tightening with a socket wrench. Put the plastic cover back in place. Put the insulation back in. Replace the carpet. Reinstall the boot mat. Operation completed.